Today we're going to take a look at the B&W Companion Dual Jaw OEM fifth wheel trailer hitch with the slider for the Ford towing prep package and has a 20,000 pound weight capacity. This is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2011 and newer Ford Super Duty trucks with the factory installed towing prep package. And on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this fifth wheel hitch will mount in your truck bed so that you can tow your fifth wheel trailer. It is designed to work with the factory installed fifth wheel towing prep package from Ford. Has this nice built-in slider here which will provide clearance, give you 12 inches front to back, which is required for your short bed truck to turn safely at slow speeds. It is a nice rail-free design, allows for full access to your truck bed when it is removed from the truck. Up on the hitch head here, it has the 1-inch thick dual jaws, which will provide a nice 360-degree jaw to Kingpin contact. Because of that, it'll give you less rattle, more security than slide bar jaws. The handle right here to open the jaws is a cam action latching handle, helps prevent binding. It's very simple to release, even on unlevel terrain. Show you, just pop the pin and clip off. That'll unlock it, and then you just rotate the handle back and the jaws will open, and it's ready to install the Kingpin in. Now when the Kingpin slides in there, it'll push up against the back of the dual jaws, which will automatically close them and rotate that handle right into position. Then you can take your pin and clip, lock it into place. Now the hole here where the pin and clip goes is large enough that if you want extra security, you could put a padlock through there. We do sell the padlock separately on our website. The hitch head itself is a fully articulating hitch head. Eases hookup, helps limit chucking, pivots front to back, and the plate up here will go side to side. Now when you do install this hitch head onto the slider, there's pivot arms that it will rest on. What's nice is at the top of those pivot arms it has polyurethane bushings, which gives you a nice quiet rattle-free ride that the hitch head sits on. And when you install these pivot arms to your slider, there's 5 rows of holes on each side, and there's 4 bolts on the pivot arms. So when you go to bolt them, it gives you a range of 3 different hitch height settings. Now the hitch height is critical because when you tow your fifth wheel, you want it to be as level as possible with the tow vehicle. So when you do install this, it'll give you a range of 17 inches to 19 inches. And that's measured from the truck bed to the top of the hitch plate right here. This is a very quick, simple installation. When you install this, it just drops into the 4 receiver pucks that are built into your factory underbed rails. And all you have to do that is go to the side here, pop the pin and clip, rotate the handle out a quarter of a turn. There's 2 handles, 2 on that side. Once you do that, it rotates the tabs there and it'll allow them to drop into those pucks. Once it drops in, just close the handles and that'll lock it into the pucks in your truck bed. Take the pin and clip, run it through the handles, clip it, and it's all locked into place. Simple as that. If you notice, this is a nice gray powder-coated steel, which is corrosion resistant. It is made in the USA. A few specs on this. Again, the application is 2011 and newer Ford Super Duty trucks with the factory installed towing prep package. Gross towing weight capacity is 20,000 pounds. Vertical tongue weight capacity is 5,000 pounds. We had mentioned your hitch height range is 17 inches to 19 inches. The travel of the slider is 12 inches front to back. The overall footprint on the slider is about 36 inches wide, and the depth is about 32 5/16 of an inch deep. Now I do want to demonstrate the hitch head and the slider just to show you how they operate. So on the hitch head again, we'll pop the pin and clip off, open up the handle, you see the jaws open up, and this would be like the Kingpin on your fifth wheel. So when this slides in, now with this being attached to the fifth wheel, there'll be more weight of course, but it'll push in and it'll push up against the back of those jaws, and you'll see with extra weight it would push that completely closed. The jaws wrap around. Then you just take your pin and clip, drop it, lock it into place, locks the handle, and your Kingpin's all locked into the hitch head. Now if you go to move the slider to get the extra clearance, say when you're towing, this is in the locked towing position, so the hitch head is closest to the tow vehicle. So if you get into a campground where you got to make some sharp turns, you want to gain an extra clearance. So this will give you that 12 inches. So to do that, rotate that handle into the unlocked position, and you'll notice here as this moves, as you move, you can see it goes to the maneuvering position. Once it gets as far as it can, it'll automatically flip the handle down, lock it into place, and then you can do your sharp turns and have the clearance. Now when you're done and you're ready to get back on the road to tow, you want to move this closer to the cab. Again, just unlock it, and then the movement will slide this all the way back, and you can see the handle flips down, locks it in the towing position. Simple as that. But that should do it for the review on the B&W Companion Dual Jaw OEM fifth wheel trailer hitch with the slider for the Ford towing prep package and a 20,000 pound weight capacity.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.